For today's video, we will show you how to transfer money from Venmo to Cash App without a card. So let's begin. Now I need you to log into both of your accounts here in Venmo and Cash App. You can go to your mobile device and open the app, or go to the web and log into venmo.com and cash that app. Right, and the first thing we need to do is we need to interlink these platforms. So first is gonna go to Venmo, all right, and open the app, and we need to link our banks. By doing so is we need to get the routing number and account number for you to link it to your Cash App. Once you've done that, we need to simply go to the Cash App direct deposit. Here we can enable direct deposits to regularly and automatically deposit your paycheck to your Cash App. When you click on that, that's on your setting. Go to direct deposits, right? Tap the Money tab on your Cash App home screen. Tap the routing account number below your balance. That is the from the bank that you have linked to Venmo, right? And tap the routing account number below your balance and use the options to copy your account and routing numbers. And of course, you need to provide the account and routing number when prompted for a bank account during direct deposit. So once you've able to interlink the two platforms, you can now use direct deposits, vice versa, using the Venmo to Cash App or Cash App to Venmo. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next one.